All right, so we received again a package. May package na naman tayo, parcel. Binili sa Lazada. So it's about time naman to show to you kasi phone tong this is cell phone and medyo may kamahalan basta mga cellphone talagang ranging from 8,000 to up to 20,000. And ito nasa mga 8,000. So tingnan natin kung hindi ba tayo mabudol kasi hindi ko pa na-try na mabudol na tulad ng mga ibang pinapakita sa mga videos na yung laman, look at that, oh. So carton pa yan. So yung ibang mga parcel yung mga pinapakita nila na mga laman, mga kahoy, mga bato. So ito, kita na natin yung cartoon. This is both in Lazada and yung courier natin is ang courier natin dito, Ninja Van. So ayan, tingnan natin, carton yan. Usually pag after opening this one, yung kita natin usually is cellphone. May iba, yung mga iba, yung pinapakita or natuklasan nila na yung laman pala is bato or kung ano-ano na. So ito, yung phone. So tingnan natin kung may makikita ba tayong phone sa loob. Let's wait while some small hands is opening the box. Yan. So this is something like no other. So let's ano open. No, no. So I guess this is legit. This is a phone. This is a phone, right? Yeah. Hindi hindi latest na phone. So ang importante dito is as we open it, ayan, hindi tayo nabudol, hindi tayo na-scam kasi yung payment ko dito is yung I pay in advance. So ayan yung phone na yan. It's a phone, right? It's a phone. And test natin if the phone is working because baka hindi eh. Baka lumang phone or baka ano lang siya, dummy phone, dummy yung hindi nagagana, hindi nagwo-work, parang ano lang siya, parang laruan. So let's try to open that one. Please, come on, please. Demand the video. You should open the one right now because I am just a voice overlay or ano ba yan? Voice over lang ako. Yan. So, ang tagal. Pero actually, this is working. This phone is working because I'm using this phone right now. So, ano, try, gusto ko talaga ma-try na yung parcel na ma-receive ko is like if I'm ordering a phone, yung talagang may mag-send na sa akin ang laman is kahoy or bato. Yun. Kasi may mga naririnig akong mga gano'n na na-scam na sila na akalaing phone yung in-order pero yung laman is walang phone na laman. Yun yung try kong ite-test. So, wala I'm not at luck right now for I mean, for na like those things na nasa loob. So, try natin hanggang makaano tayo ng mga bato or kahoy. Thanks for watching.